Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites and opening the right menu. Make sure your iPad runs iPadOS 16 or later so live wallpapers are supported. Update in Settings General if needed. Once done, prepare a live photo or short video in Photos. That's the media type the system can use. Then open Settings and tap Wallpaper to begin. You're starting at the exact spot where the device applies motion, so follow each choice carefully to ensure you now pick the exact live photo and configure playback. Tap Add New Wallpaper, choose Live Photo, then select the clip from your library. This ensures the iPad recognizes motion instead of a still. Once selected, use Edit to trim the clip or pick a keyframe so the preview shows the moment you want. Make sure perspective zoom is set as you prefer. Toggle live photo playback on so the lock screen animates. These steps control how and when the wallpaper moves. You're finishing by applying and validating the wallpaper. Tap Set and choose lock screen, home screen, or both. Live motion typically works only on the lock screen. Lock your iPad and press or wake the screen to trigger the live photo animation. That's how you confirm success. If it stays static, make sure the image is a live photo, look for the live badge, check Reduce Motion in Accessibility, and reapply. These adjustments fix the most common issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.